Welcome back to WION The World is One. We are glad you're watching. Time now for Dispatch. I'm Eric Njoka. Let's begin with the top stories. As Israel steps up its ground offensive and bombing in Gaza, EU nations hit out saying the assault spells death and destruction, worsening an already catastrophic humanitarian situation in the territory. The bloc is to adopt fresh sanctions against Israel on Wednesday. Russia and Belarus wrap up the 5-day joint military exercise Zapad 2025. The drills were intended to showcase close defense ties between Moscow and Minsk, as well as Russia's military. A Russian drone strike targets central Kharkiv. Officials say the strike damaged an educational institution and injured at least 4 people. German Chancellor Friedrich Merz welcomes Polish president on his first official state visit to Germany. Both leaders strongly condemn Russia's recent alleged violations of Polish airspace. President Trump is set to leave for a keenly watched visit to the UK alongside royal pageantry and heavy security. Big focus on a US-UK nuclear power acceleration deal to be signed. Indian markets close higher as they track positive global cues. The Sensex closes above 82,000, while the Nifty closes above 25,200.